Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your sort code on Revolut. Now this will be a very short and easy tutorial, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is open up your Revolut app, and once you have done that it will look something like this. Now from here you want to make sure you are on your British pound account, so if you're not sure how to see that or not sure how to change it, you can go to where your balance is, and just to the right of your balance there will be a little arrow. And when we click on that, it will bring open all of our accounts. Now, because sort code is unique to Great Britain, we just want to choose British pounds. And then from here, we can click on that United Kingdom flag. And then it will bring open this page and it will show us our details for domestic transfers only. So here we can actually find our sort code, and we can also find our account number. And if we need, we can also click on Swift at the top, and we can also find our IBAN and BIC number. However, if you only need to find your sort code, it will be on this local domestic transfers page here. You'll be able to copy it with this little blue button on the right, and then you can copy it and paste it to whoever you needed to send it to. So that's exactly how you can find your sort code on the Revolut app. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to find your sort code within the app. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.